Here's how to make WordPress blog under 5 minutes. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, you have to open your WordPress dashboard. After this, click on Posts button, which is on the left side of the screen, and then click on Add New button. The next page will look like this. And this is the page where we are going to make our blog. So you will see here, Add Title menu. So click here and type your blog title here. So I open my MS Word and copy the title and then paste it here. So the first step of title is done. Next step is to click on the plus button here. And in this pop-up, you have to click on Paragraph. And now here you can write whatever you want. So I type a line about my blog. After this, we should add a photo here of a Shopify because this blog is about Shopify. To do that, click on plus icon and then click on Image button. And then click on Upload button. So I added the photo, and after this, you can set your image position. Then again, click on plus icon and then click on Paragraph button. So for this, I will go on my MS Word and copy the blog that I have write already and then paste it here so you can see my blog is almost ready. So the next, if you want to promote Shopify link, then copy the link and come to your blog. Next, select Shopify Word and then click on this icon and paste the link. You can also select that whenever someone type on Shopify, the website will open in the next tab and then press Enter button. And next, in the right side of the screen, you will see an option of block and click here. And from here, you can change the color of text. You can see the text color is changed. In the next step, you can also select size, which can be small, medium, large, and extra large. And then come back to the post option. Here you can select your blog visibility. Then you can check this option that uBlog will stick on the top of the blog, scroll down, and you can also select the author of blog. In the next step, you can select required category, and you can add tags related to your blog to rank the blog on Google. Then you can select your blog featured image. Featured image will be the thumbnail of your blog. Then just click on Publish button, which is on the upper bar of the screen. Then click on View Post button. You can see here our blog will look like this. After posting a blog on your website, there are 2 important things that you have to follow. The first thing is promote your blog post on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram. Use engaging visuals, catchy headlines, and the second thing is to engage with comments. Monitor and respond to comments on your blog post. Engaging with readers helps build a sense of community and encourages more discussions. So in this way, not only you can create a good blog, but also you can rank your blog on Google.